Hope you're having a great Sunday, and thanks for logging on to your Aggieland Carpet One forecast. I'm meteorologist Crystal Plone. We've been experiencing some warm and sunny weather over the weekend, and it has been very nice to get outside and enjoy it. Currently, we're seeing those temperatures in the upper 70s and the low 80s. It's 82 degrees in Bryan College Station. We're just about where we need to be for this time of year, as our normal high temperature for the day is 83 degrees. And around the state of Texas, we are just seeing warm temperatures, not a whole lot of fluctuation in terms of going from Amarillo seeing a temperature of 74 to Dallas seeing a temperature of 77, even in Laredo seeing a temperature of 88 degrees, so it's very warm and humid across the state, and that's where we're going to stay really for the next week. Even though we are going to see our rain chances increase, temperatures are going to remain about the same during the day, but what you will notice is that overnight our temperatures will be starting to warm up just a bit. So Monday morning, you'll wake up to a temperature in the mid-60s. It will be a little bit on the warm and humid side, but then for tomorrow afternoon, temperatures get back into the low 80s with some mid-80s thrown in there, especially if you do see some more sun than other areas. But Tuesday morning, again, the same type of thing, temperatures in the mid-60s, even the upper 60s in some spots. So those daytime highs will stay in the low to mid-80s, while overnight we'll start to see temperatures increase into the mid-60s and even into the upper 60s. Winds are out of the southeast right now between 5 to 15 miles per hour in the Brazos Valley, but if you look up towards the north, they are a little bit more gusty at 26 miles per hour in Amarillo. What it's doing is to help increase the moisture in the air and increase the humidity also. So if you do go outside, 83 degrees or 82 degrees might feel just a few degrees warmer than that because we're getting a lot of moisture from the Gulf of Mexico. So it is feeling rather warm outside. So here's what we're looking at in terms of clouds and rain. For the rest of your evening tonight and into tomorrow, we'll expect those temperatures to remain warm and those clouds to remain mostly away. When you wake up tomorrow morning, you may see some patchy fog, which is why there's some green there on the PinPoint forecast, but we are expecting to remain dry throughout your morning on Monday. But you will notice we will see mostly cloudy skies also. But then heading into Monday afternoon, there is a lot of rain in the central portion of the state and areas towards the west. We're thinking the rain is going to remain over there and not affect our weather here. We should see partly cloudy skies. It's basically the same kind of thing we saw today for your Monday. And where things are going to change is really going to be on Tuesday, because as you notice on PinPoint forecast, there's a lot more cloud cover and even some more rain on the radar. So that's when our chances are going to increase for rain, but for now, things will stay dry. Tonight, we'll see those temperatures in the low to mid-60s, and for tomorrow, more of the same with temperatures in the low 80s and the upper 80s or mid-80s, I should say, for some other spots. But then here's your 7-day forecast. We are in for a pattern shift, so in terms of temperatures, we're going to remain about the same. But in terms of rain chances, those are definitely increasing throughout the week. Overnight temperatures go from the mid-60s all the way into the upper 60s, close to 70 degrees as well. So overnight, things will feel a little bit more humid, but during the day, you're definitely going to need the umbrella. So hopefully you can find it and hold on to it for the next week or so. And for now, enjoy the rest of your weekend.